Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Dave with Nomadic e-biking adventures. And today is Wednesday, April 24th, 2024. And it's a little bit after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We are experiencing temperatures right around 60 degrees. Today. I'm in shorts. I decided to put the shorts on. I was out earlier in jogging pants and I figured, well, take a look at the winds here. 5 mile an hour winds. I haven't seen winds like that in a long time. So, careful around the corner here. We should start filling in these potholes. But yeah, today we're going to go down to Pelican Lake. A lot of the trees are starting to bud out real nice now. Got about a 10-mile bike ride today. We're down to just about over a week left, staying in Glenwood, Minnesota. Next Friday we leave, not this Friday, but next Friday, the 3rd of May. And I'm looking long range next week, Wednesday and Thursday. We got temperatures here in the mid 70s. So I think what I'm going to do is plan my around Lake Minnewaska bike tour, a 23 mile bike ride around Lake Minnewaska for next Wednesday or Thursday. Clear to the left and right, nothing in sight. Birds are out chirping. Beautiful afternoon. So we got our drone yesterday. We went and picked it up at the post office and did a little flying with it here and there. And so we're coming up on the one and only traffic signals for Glenwood. Gotta watch these car doors. I saw something on Facebook. Somebody slammed into a car door that somebody opened up at the last second. He survived. The bike survived. The door didn't. So you got to be kind of mindful of these last second obstructions that come in your way. Picture, perfect. Look at it. I just can't get how calm it is today. Wow. All along here. I'll take another picture this way. You can see people down there on the beach. They're actually in the water. Well, let's go along the Lake Shore Drive here. This is kind of nice here. We'll take this down for a little bit. know what? I want to take that down. I think I'll take that down all the way down to where that gravel road goes past the wine, the vineyard, and take that back.
Smiling so bright, everyone snuggled so tight. The day is done, and soon you'll see the sun. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. You're safe in your bed. Let go of your thoughts and just rest your head. You've had a big day, and in the morning you'll start again. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The birds are nestled in the trees, staying warm while blows the leaves. Tomorrow they'll fly through the clouds in the sky. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The moon is smiling so bright.